Really quick, this your boy CJ Goodfellow about to enter that real boxing talk with the boxing clinic. And in a minute, we briefly going to talk about the boxers' purses for the July 29th card tonight in Brooklyn, New York at the Barclays Center. And let's get the ball rolling. Adrien Broner and Mikey Garcia, according to Dan Rayfield of ESPN, will be making $1 million apiece to headline this card. Both should get additional compensation. The purses have to be, given to the New York State Athletic Commission. And those are the hard numbers, but according to Rayfield, they'll be getting much more than $1 million apiece for this card as well. Jamal Charlo versus Sebastian Heelan. Charlo was getting $350K. Jorge Heelan will be getting $200,000. I think, which is a good payday for that type of fight, in my opinion. I understand it's for a mandatory spot to the WBC middleweight championship held by Golovkin, which, win, lose, or draw, will be held by Golovkin because Canelo is not fighting for the WBC. He's declining to fight for it. Jarrell B. Baby Miller is making $70K versus Gerald Washington, $50K in that fight. It's not even going to be on Showtime. A lot of people complaining about Washington's purse going from $250,000 versus Wilder to going to $50K. A few months later, they're not going to be on TV. It's going to be streamed over social media on the Showtime platform. So your fight not televised. They're not dishing out a lot of cash, but that's solid payday. Katie Taylor $4,000 in her American debut. Jasmine Clarkson $7,000. I don't know why she's getting more than Katie Taylor. Maybe because she's American. Maybe that's what it is. Rasheed Warren is getting $25,000, with McJoe Aurora getting $25,000 as well. That fight is not even going to be televised on any platform. The Katie Taylor fight will be streamed on social media by Showtime. But at least Rasheed Warren's getting $25K. It's not on TV. Spoils in the last minute.